Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Nasdaq market site. My name is Kevin O'Neill. I'm the relationship manager for Apellis Pharmaceuticals, and we could not be more excited here to help us close the market. At this time, I'd like to invite our executive host, Brian Joyce, up to the podium. Brian?
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. It is truly my great pleasure to welcome Apellis Pharmaceuticals, along with President and CEO, Dr. Cedric Francois, to the Nasdaq market site. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to the management team, members of the board of directors, and all our distinguished guests. We are excited that you could join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Now, there's a lot to celebrate today. Most importantly, we're here to commemorate Apellis Pharmaceuticals' IPO, which took place last month on November 9th, pricing 10.7 million shares at $14 per share. Congratulations on this major milestone, which I am sure will be the first of many. I think this deserves a round of applause. Apellis Pharmaceuticals, headquartered in Crestwood, Kentucky, is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on the development of novel therapeutic compounds to treat disease through inhibition of the complement system. The complement system is an integral component of the immune system at the level of C3, the central protein in the complement cascade. This approach can result in the inhibition of the principal pathways of the complement system and has the potential to effectively control a broad array of complement-dependent autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. Apellis believes that their lead product, candidate APL-2, has the potential to be a first-in-class treatment targeting C3 that may address both the limitations of existing treatment options or provide a treatment option where there currently is none. Dr. Francois, congratulations again on your recent IPO. Nasdaq is proud to be your partner, and we also are excited to watch you grow and innovate as a Nasdaq-listed company. Now, everyone, please join me in welcoming President and CEO, Dr. Cedric Francois, to the podium for further remarks.
Wow. What a moment. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Nasdaq. Thank you, our dearest employees. Shout out to Crestwood, Kentucky, Waltham, Massachusetts, and San Francisco. Thank you to our board of directors, our very early investors, every one of you here. And it's a special moment because we are in the business of biotechnology, where we try to, at the end of the day, make people better. We work on autoimmune conditions, but our focus is on a condition called geographic atrophy. Now, this disease is a blinding disease that affects 1 million patients in the United States alone. There's no cure for this disease, and all therapies in clinical development have failed, with the exception of APL-2 in phase 2 clinical trials. That is our commitment. That is where we want to start. That is where we want to make a difference, and from there broaden it out in other autoimmune conditions. But beyond that, to be part of an industry and the world of biotechnology where so many people are committed to making people better is truly special. So thank you, everyone, for doing everything that you've done in the past, today, and in the future, and forwards, onwards, and upwards. Thank you.
Cedric, Nasdaq is very proud to welcome you and your entire group of colleagues to the Nasdaq family. We want to celebrate that along with last month's IPO and along with all the good work that you're doing and the research that you're doing to helping so many people by giving you this Nasdaq crystal.
Thank you so much.